The MIM-104 Patriot is a surface-to-air missile system, which is now Patriot's primary mission. The system is expected to stay fielded until at least 2040. Patriot uses an advanced aerial interceptor missile and high-performance radar systems. Patriot was developed at Redstone Arsenal in Huntsville, Alabama, which had previously developed the Safeguard ABM system and its components Spartan and hypersonic speed sprint missiles. The symbol for Patriot is a drawing of a Revolutionary War-era Minuteman. Patriot systems have been sold to the Netherlands, Poland, Germany, Japan, Israel, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Republic of China, Greece, Spain, United Arab Emirates, Qatar and Romania. South Korea purchased several second-hand Patriot systems from Germany after North Korea test-launched ballistic missiles to the Sea of Japan and proceeded with underground nuclear testing. In 2006, Jordan also purchased several second-hand Patriot systems from Germany. Poland hosts training rotations of a battery of U.S. Patriot launchers. This started in the town of Morag in May 2010 but was later moved further from the Russian border to Toruń and Ustka due to Russian objections. On December 4, 2012, NATO authorized the deployment of Patriot missile launchers in Turkey to protect the country from missiles fired in the civil war in neighboring Syria. Patriot was one of the first tactical systems in the U.S. Department of Defense to employ lethal autonomy in combat. The Patriot system gained notoriety during the Persian Gulf War of 1991 with the claimed engagement of over 40 Iraqi Scud missiles. But those claims became a source of controversy. The system was successfully used against Iraqi missiles in 2003 Iraq War, and has been also used by Saudi and Emirati forces in the Yemen conflict against Houthi missile attacks. The Patriot system achieved its first undisputed shoot-downs of enemy aircraft in the service of the Israeli Air Defense Command. Israeli MIM-104D batteries shot down 2 Hamas UAVs during Operation Protective Edge on August 31, 2014 and later, on September 23, 2014, an Israeli Patriot battery shot down a Syrian Air Force Sukhoi Su-24 which had penetrated the airspace of the Golan Heights, which is controlled by Israel but recognized as Syrian airspace according to the Charter of the United Nations, achieving the first shoot-down of a manned enemy aircraft in the world for the system. Prior to the Patriot, Raytheon was involved in a number of surface-to-air missile programs, including FABMDS. In 1975, the SAMD missile successfully engaged a drone at the White Sands missile range. During 1976, it was renamed the Patriot Air Defense Missile System. The MIM-104 Patriot would combine several new technologies, including the MPQ-53 passive electronically scanned array radar and track-wire missile guidance. Full-scale development of the system began in 1976 and it was deployed in 1984. Patriot was used initially as an anti-aircraft system, but during 1988, it was upgraded to provide limited capability against tactical ballistic missiles as PAC-1. The most recent upgrade, called PAC-3, is a nearly total system redesign, intended from the outset to engage and destroy tactical ballistic missiles. The Patriot system has 4 major operational functions: communications, command and control, radar surveillance, and missile guidance. The 4 functions combine to provide a coordinated, secure, integrated, mobile air defense system. The Patriot system is modular and highly mobile. A battery-sized element can be installed in less than an hour. All components, consisting of the fire control section and launchers, are a truck or trailer mounted. The radar set and launchers are mounted on M860 semi-trailers, which are towed by Oshkosh M983 HEMTTs. Missile reloading is accomplished using AM985 HEMTT truck with a high-up crane on the back. This crane is larger than the standard Grove cranes found on regular M977 HEMTT and M985 HEMTT cargo body trucks. The truck crane, called a guided missile transporter, removes spent missile canisters from the launcher and then replaces them with fresh missiles. Because the crane nearly doubles the height of the HEMTT when not stowed. Crews informally refer to it as the scorpion tail, a standard M977 HEMTT with a regular-sized crane is sometimes referred to as the large repair parts transporter. The heart of the Patriot battery is the fire control section, consisting of the MPQ-53 or -65 radar set, the MSQ-104 engagement control station, a command station designed to coordinate the launches of a battalion and uplink Patriot to the JTIDS or MITS network. The MPQ-53 65th radar set is a passive electronically scanned array radar equipped with IFF, electronic countermeasure, and track wire missile guidance subsystems. The MPQ-53 radar set supports PAC-2 units, while the MPQ-65 radar set supports PAC-2 and PAC-3 units. The main difference between these two radars is the addition of a second